Hello all, today I'm going to explain you on the tuples. So tuples is a data structure inside the Python, and also it can hold any type of a data. To prove this, we'll just see t is equal to, this is the open parenthesis and the closed parenthesis. So if I type is equal to tuples, so this is a tuple. As I said, like it can hold any type of a data. Let me just see. Let me type 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma integers, and also floating point numbers, and also the string, also the boolean, and also with the complex number a plus 5j. Okay, so like we can also do the first is the indexing in the tuples. T of 4, this is hello, and also we can do the slicing of the data. Start point is 0, 2, 1 and 2. T of, if you want reverse, you can do it in reverse. So in the list also we can do the indexing and slicing operation. And here, if you want to make any changes here, let me just T of 0, but I'm just making any changes. Let me see if I can make changes to the tuples. So like tuples, okay, then we can go like tuple is an immutable entity and list is a mutable entity. Let us check for that. So 4 comma 5 comma 6 list, t1 is the tuples, 2 comma 4 comma 5 2 3 4. Okay, so we are doing the indexing. L of 0. So for the list, if you want to make the changes, okay, L of 0 is equal to test1, so we can make the changes for the list here. It's a mutable entity. So for t1, let me go for the tuple one. Indexing to t1 is the for 0. If you are going to make the test2. So here for the tuples, it's not able to make it is an immutable entity. We cannot make any changes for this. So why tuples is used is to, if we do not make to modify any data, so the list has been, so sorry, the tuples has been used. If we do not want to make any changes in the data or modify the changes, then the tuples is used. So let me do the other one. See, this is, we are holding all types of data: integers, float, and string, boolean, and complex numbers here. So if you want, I iterate over the only to the integers for I in t. So print I. So this is the, if you are iterating it over the I in t. So if we want only the integers for I in t, if type I equals sorry equals integer, then print I wants a specific condition, so it will give a specific condition. If I want to iterate over the only, I want a boolean for I in t, if type I equals bool, print I. So we can iterate over the boolean. So these are the types of condition we can use here. So I a is equal to 1, for example, and b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3, and t is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, a comma b comma c is equal to t. So this is the unpacking of the operation. A, b, c. Okay, sorry, c. This is what it is there. This is the unpacking operation, and we have some inbuilt functions over here. So there are not many inbuilt functions. T dot count. Should we just see like if so this is an inbuilt function which takes only one argument, like we should have to give one argument for this. So I'll give as 2. Let me check. So t dot count is 1. So t dot index, what do we need to pass any argument? We'll see. Yes, at least one argument we need to pass inside this. So I'll just give it as index dot 1. So it is 0. So let us go to the other one called as a nested tuple, or tuple inside tuple. Tuple inside tuple. So T2 is equal to, sorry, T2, okay, 4 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 78. So like this is the other one, 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 8 comma. See, this is the nested tuple, like tuple inside the tuple. Let us see this. Okay, so if you want t2 of, if we want to 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5, so we want to index the 5, so this will come. So we can also extract from here the data t comma 5 fifth index, and also we can take a 3. So this is out of range. Sorry, let us see 0 1 will just add. It's also out of range. We'll just see here. So this is 5. This is the one comes. So I have given it as t, so it is coming as out of range. So I can just extract t2 of, so I can add the other one here. Let me add a list also at the same time. 3 comma 4 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. So like t of t2 of 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so I'll get as 6. So this is the 1/6. We can also add a list here. So t2 of 6. Next we can also extract from there the data 7. So here 0 1 2 3 7. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.